The last few years, we have been making autism awareness bracelets. We get them ready for April. We do a lot of different vocational skills training here. We go out in the community and do it. And then we do a lot of stuff in-house when we can. So that's one of the things that we like to do in-house. We get them ready. So we pick a different design every year. And we try to have as much of it as we can that the students can help us with. So last year was the first year we kind of did like a stock kit, and it was, but last year we found a really cool design and it went really well. So this year we looked around and found another very cool design. So in February and March, we prep the bracelets and then we sell them in April for Autism Awareness Month.
This is a bracelet we made last year for our fundraiser, all different colors. We had one left, so the autism puzzle piece. This year, we're making the thin beads with the French knot. We have House Divided, Michigan State.
The thing that I like best about it is it provides a really cool job for my students. Like it's something fun that they can do and gives them something a little different. Because a lot of times, especially with my tier 3 students who have more involved autism, they get a lot of like the on-job sites are a lot of cleaning jobs, or we pack food bags, things like that. So this is a little bit something different, more fun, that's a job for them. So I like that aspect of it. And then the other thing that I like is, they are legitimately bracelets that are made by the students and sold for autism awareness. And I think it's good for, when we sell them, it's not just that they're autism awareness, it's that our students all do them. Like this year's design you saw, everything's a little bit different. We haven't given them set instructions on how to do it. And everybody does their own unique design a little bit differently. So we thought that is really a good representation of our students with autism.